Hello guys, welcome back. So today we'll be starting with a new topic, that is clavicle. The clavicle is situated at your collar region, okay? Hence it is also known as collar bone. Okay, and it is also known as beauty bone. Girls have this prominent and girls love to have this bone prominent. Prominent means it is better seen from the outside, okay? It's protruding at the collar region. So it is known as beauty bone. Now let's know about this bone in detail. This picture is for you to know where it is placed, okay? I'm drawing a simplified version of it. So this is the clavicle. Now this portion which you're seeing, this is known as the shaft. Okay, this whole thing is known as the shaft. Now the shaft is divided into two parts, medial 2/3 and lateral 1/3. Okay, if you divide the shafts into three regions, the 2/3 is considered to be medial and 1/3 is considered to be lateral. Okay, now it is having ends. So this is on the lateral side, hence the term is lateral end. This is on the medial side. It is on the medial side. The term is medial end. Now when we were doing scapula, I told you that there will be acromion process attaching to the clavicle. So this is the lateral end. This is also known as acromial end because your acromion process of the scapula will attach. So acromial end. Here towards this side there is sternum. Sternum is also known as your breastbone. Okay. So this end is known as sternal end. Let's look in this picture. So this is the medial end. This is the lateral end. Okay. So here you can see this is your sternum, right? So here it is attaching to the sternum, hence the medial side was termed as sternal end. Here you can see this is the acromion and this is the coracoid process of the scapula. You can clearly see in this picture, right? So this is the acromion which is attaching to the lateral end of the clavicle. Therefore, this end is known as what? Acromial end. Okay. Then medial 2/3, 1/3. Let's give a division in between. So consider this to be completely medial 2/3 and this is lateral 1/3. Okay. Now there are some peculiarities about this clavicle bone. So first of all, it is the only long bone which is placed horizontally. Okay, all long bones are how present? Vertically, right? You have femur, you have humerus, everything is in vertical position. This is placed horizontally. Then it is the most common bone to fracture. Common bone in our body. And if someone asks you where does this fracture takes place? So this fracture takes place over this division which I have made. Okay, this is also known as, we can also tell that this fracture occurs at medial 2/3. Medial 2/3. Okay, and every bone is ossified, right? So it takes time for the bones to ossify. Children, small babies have brittle bones. So once they are ossified, they are known as strong bones, right? So ossification is where we are making the bone hardened and we are making it very strong. So it is the first bone to start ossifying in our body. It is the first bone to start ossification. Okay. Now, let's know when it is formed in our body. The formation of clavicle starts at 5th uterine life. Okay, and ossification is complete by 8th uterine life. Okay, now we'll know something about ossification, but first let me tell you something, that this is the only bone which ossifies in membrane, Okay, now let's know about ossification. So you know this medial end, right? This end, medial end. This medial end, this actually ossifies in membrane. So let's write it down. Medial end ossifies in membrane. Now this bone has two primary ossification center. This bone has only bone actually. Only bone which has two primary ossification center. Usually every bone has one primary ossification center. It has two primary ossification center and one secondary ossification center. Okay, so primary ossification means what? Before the birth. But after the birth, the secondary ossification. This is where this medial end will ossify. It will ossify in the secondary ossification. So make this primary ossification, secondary ossification. So primary ossification, it will be done before birth, first of all, between, to be precise, 5th to 6th week. Okay, and it is fused at 45th day. It is said to be fused at 45th day, but no need to learn about when it is fused. The secondary ossification, it occurs after birth. Okay, and for medial end, this secondary ossification center will appear at 15 or to 17 years. So when you're 15 to 17 years, your clavicle will get the secondary ossification center where it will start ossifying the medial end, the place where clavicle was attaching your sternum. Okay, and it will be completed. Most of you are now 21 years or 22 years, I guess. So now this ossification part is complete. Like this, you can remember. It will be completed by 21 to 22 years. Okay, so and primary ossification centers are 2 in number. Primary ossification centers are 2 in number. Okay, so that's it about the clavicle. I hope everything is clear.